Hello everybody, welcome to SkinCharmStudio. Today I'm going to create a minimal makeup look for those of you who do not wish to layer your face with a lot of makeup. Let's get into it. Since I have a dry skin, I am going to apply a serum. This is a glow serum from Hyphen. This is filled with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, basically hydration in a bottle. Once the serum is absorbed, I'm going to apply my moisturizer. Again, this is a ceramide rich pillow cream from Hyphen. It is really soft. It keeps my skin moisturized all day. I have dark under eyes, so I'm going to apply a little color corrector. You can see the difference between the two sides. I'm going to skip the foundation part and directly apply compact powder just to give that mattified look to my face. Next, I'm going to apply a little concealer wherever required. For my eyebrows, I'm only applying eyebrow gel. I'm using a gel-based kajal. Now I'm going to take a very sleek brush and I'm going to blend well and give it a nice shape. Now I'll tell you a trick to keep the kajal the same way for a very long time and avoid bleeding. So what you do is you're going to top this off with a little eyeshadow. And I'm going to apply a little brown shadow just below to give my eyes a little more definition. For the top of my eye, I'm going to use a maroon shade. Once that's done, I'm going to apply a shimmery shade. You can go with any shimmery shade you want. I am going with a light shimmery shade and apply it on your eyelid. Like that. Apply a nice coat of mascara because mascara completes your eye look. Can you see the difference? I'm going to apply a little blush on my face, otherwise my face will look flat. I'm going to apply a little shimmer over the blush. I'm going to apply a nude lip shade. So I'm going to line my lips using a darker lip color. Since I'm going for a traditional look, I'm going to apply a small bindi. And there you have it, a very minimal makeup look. I hope you like the look that I tried to create. If you like my videos, please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Until we meet again, it is bye from me.
Damn.